Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add header and footer on Google Docs Mobile. So I've already opened the Google Docs app and I wanna add a header and also footer on this file. So here, click on the pencil icon first, then you can edit the file, and then after that you need to change the layout to be able to add header and footer. So click on the three dots icon at the top right corner and then click on the print layout, click on circle until it turns to blue. Then after that, to add a header, you can just drag or click on the top twice like this, and then header will automatically add. You can just write what you want to add, for example page 1 like this. Then after that, to add the footer, you can just go to the bottom and then click on the bottoms right here, and then after that you be able to write Jane Eyre, for example. So the header and footer will be added to the rest of the pages. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.